All right, second problem, our second limit finding technique. Could you plug in 0? Well, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, so I have a negative 2/3 as my first term and a positive 2/3 as my second term, so that's 0. In the bottom, I just have an x, so that's 0, so that will not work. And so we need technique number 2. We need to write this uber numerator as a single fraction, which means I need to multiply the left term by 3. So I'm going to get 3 times 2 is 6 over my denominator has to be multiplied by 3 as well. So 3 times x minus 3. Plus, this fraction needs to be multiplied by the other denominator of x minus 3. So if I multiply that in, I get 2 times x minus 3, which is 2 times x, which is 2x, and a 2 times minus 3, which is a minus 6. And that is over the same common denominator, 3 times x minus 3. So we have a common denominator, which means we can write this as a single fraction. So in the bottom, I still have a 3 times an x minus 3, the common denominator. In the top, look, I have a 6 plus a 2x minus a 6. Well, 6 minus 6 goes away, and we're left with a 2x. And you get here and you're like, well, what do I do now? Well, remember that all of this is still over x. So all of that is still over x, and we have an x sandwich, and those x's will eliminate each other, and we will be left with just 2 over 3 times x minus 3. So now I can rewrite this limit as x approaches 0 of 2 over 3 times x minus 3. I can directly substitute in 0 to get 2 over 3 times 0 minus 3, which is, of course, well, 0 minus 3 is negative 3 times 3 is 9, so I get a negative 2/9. Boom.